your legs weaken first. That is the truth that so many seniors learn the hard way. The very first warning sign of aging is often not grey hair or wrinkles. It is not forgetting a name here and there. It is when your legs no longer feel as strong as they used to. You may notice it when you rise from a chair and need to push yourself up with your hands, or when a simple walk to the kitchen feels like a chore. Worse, you may feel a sudden sharp cramp at night that wakes you from deep sleep. Leg cramps can be painful, scary, and frustrating. But here is the hopeful part. New research shows that eating the right fruits every single day can prevent these cramps, protect your muscles, and keep your legs strong for decades. Today, I will reveal 6 powerful fruits that can protect your legs, and some of them may already be in your kitchen. Stay with me until the very end, because the 6th fruit is so underrated that most doctors do not even mention it, yet it can save you from years of pain. Before we dive in, I want to ask you something personal. Have you ever had a leg cramp at night, so strong that you jumped out of bed holding your calf and praying for the pain to end? If that has happened to you, type yes in the comments right now. And if you have your own trick for stopping cramps quickly, please share it. Your comment may save another senior from suffering tonight. Now, let us begin this journey together. Think of this not as a lecture, but as a caring conversation. Imagine we are sitting together in your living room, sipping tea and talking about health, life, and ways to stay independent. Because that is what I want for you: independence, freedom, the ability to walk, dance, garden, and enjoy your grandchildren without being held back by weak legs or stabbing cramps. The first fruit on our list is the humble banana. Bananas are not just sweet and soft. They are nature's medicine for your muscles. Why? Because they are loaded with potassium. Potassium is the mineral that allows your muscles to contract and relax smoothly. Within 1 week, her cramps almost disappeared. Today, Grace says her bananas are as important as her morning prayer. She carries one in her purse every time she goes out. That is the power of food. The second fruit is oranges. Oranges are bursting with vitamin C, but the real secret for your legs is their magnesium content. Magnesium works hand in hand with potassium to keep muscles relaxed. Think of potassium as the fuel and magnesium as the spark plug. Without the spark, the car cannot run. Seniors often have low magnesium because as we age, our bodies absorb less of it. Oranges are also hydrating. Dehydration is one of the hidden causes of night cramps. When your mama sadra desses up, an orange gives you fluids, magnesium, and vitamin C all at once. And a man named Robert, âge 68, who loved evening whisk but often woke up with cramps. His doctor warned him about dehydration, so he swapped his nightcap for a fresh glass of orange juice. He says not only did his cramps fade, but his mornings became brighter, and his wife noticed he smiled more. A simple fruit gave him back restful nights. Now let me pause here and ask you again. Which fruit have you used before to fight cramps, bananas or oranges? Comment below and tell me. Your answer could help another senior watching this video tonight. the third fruit is watermelon. Imagine a hot summer day. You cut into a juicy watermelon, the red, flesh dripping with sweetness. That refreshing bite is more than a treat. It is medicine for your legs. Watermelon is 92% water, making it one of the best hydration foods on earth. And inside that juicy bite are minerals like potassium and magnesium. But there is more. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline. This compound improves blood circulation. Better circulation means your leg muscles get more oxygen, which keeps them strong and cramp-free. Think about it. A simple slice of watermelon can send fresh blood flowing through your legs like a river clearing out stones. I knew a retired teacher named Linda who could not sleep because of her cramps. She started having watermelon every night after dinner. Within 2 weeks, she was sleeping through the night for the first time in years. She laughed and said, "Who knew the answer to my suffering was in the produce aisle all along?" The fourth fruit might surprise you. It is the avocado. Many people think of avocados as vegetables, but botanically they are fruits. And they are a miracle fruit for leg health. Avocados are rich in potassium, magnesium, and healthy fats. These three nutrients combined not only prevent cramps, but also protect your arteries. Why is that important? Because if your arteries are clogged, blood does not reach your leg muscles properly. Poor circulation is one of the leading causes of cramps in seniors. Avocados act like a plumber for your blood vessels, clearing the pipes so nutrients can flow. A dear friend of mine, Henry, age 72, told me his secret. Every morning he makes avocado toast with a sprinkle of lemon. He has not had a cramp in over 2 years. He also says he feels sharper and more energetic. His wife jokes that the avocado is his fountain of youth. The fifth fruit is cherries, specifically Tart cherries. These small red jewels are not only delicious, they are anti-inflammatory. Inflammation in your muscles and nerves can trigger cramps. Cherries contain anthocyanins, powerful compounds that fight inflammation naturally. Many athletes use Tart cherry juice to recover from workouts and prevent cramps. If it works for professional runners, it can certainly help seniors who want to walk without pain. I recall a veteran named Jack who struggled with restless legs and cramps at night. His daughter suggested cherry juice before bed. He was skeptical, but after 1 week, his cramps reduced dramatically. He now calls his nightly glass of cherry juice his bedtime medicine. And now we arrive at the sixth fruit. This one is rarely mentioned, yet it is one of the most powerful cramp fighters. The kiwi. Yes, that small fuzzy fruit packs a huge punch. Kiwis are loaded with potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, and antioxidants. But what makes them special is their ability to improve sleep. Studies show that eating kiwi before bed helps seniors fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Imagine combining better sleep with cramp prevention. That is a double gift. I met a woman named Sarah who had both insomnia and leg cramps. She added to kiwis to her nightly routine. Within a month, her cramps reduced and she slept through the night. She told me, "I feel like I have been given my nights back." Now, dear listener, I want you to take a deep breath. Picture yourself walking in the park, strong and steady, without fear of cramps. Imagine sitting through the night without being jolted awake. That is not a fantasy. It is possible if you make these fruits part of your daily life. Bananas, oranges, watermelon, avocados, cherries, and kiwis. 6 simple gifts from nature. 6 powerful protectors of your legs. But here is the key: consistency. Eating 1 banana today will not stop cramps tonight. But eating these fruits every day, week after week, will rebuild your minerals, restore your circulation, and protect your muscles. You must give your body time to heal. Remember, healing is like planting a garden. You do not see flowers the next day. But if you water and nurture, one morning you wake up to a beautiful bloom. I want to leave you with this. Your legs are the foundation of your independence. Protect them, and you protect your freedom. Do not wait for another cramp to remind you of the pain. Take action now. Fill your basket with these 6 fruits and begin your journey to stronger legs and restful nights. If this video has touched you, please comment below and share your story. Which fruit will you add to your diet first? Bananas, oranges, watermelon, avocados, cherries, or kiwis? Your comment may inspire someone else to begin their journey today. And if you have a loved one who suffers from cramps, please share this video with them. It could change their life. You are not alone in this. Together, we are building a community of seniors who support each other, who believe in natural healing, and who refuse to let aging steal our strength. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and remember, your legs deserve the very best care.